Hi everyone, how are you all are doing today? Hope you all are fine. So I am here with my recent acquisition, the HMT Sourab Automatic 2112 watch. So here is the watch. It's an automatic watch with the day and date complications, and I got it with this beautiful strap, which is the original HMT strap. It comes with a very heavy gold plating. The quality of the strap and the gold plating is fabulous. We may not get this type of quality in the recent watches. It's a heavy gold plating. When we talk about the dial, it has metallic indices as well as Roman numerals printed on them. And the size of the case would be around 36 mm, including the crown. Excluding it, it would be around 34 mm. And the leg width is 18 mm. So I'll show the back case of the watch. It's a used one, but I got it in a very good condition, and I like the strap which it is on, and it suits well and it goes well with the watch, and it looks great. I like the look of the watch, and this one has been made in the year 2000 as per the case code. So I'll just wear the watch on my hand and show you. So here it is. I just love the look and the feel of the watch on hand. I like the bracelet of the watch. So that's it for now in this video. Kindly do subscribe my YouTube channel for other HMT watch videos, and I'll be uploading the next video soon. Kindly do subscribe my channel to watch those videos also. Thank you for the time which you have taken to watch the video. Thank you.